You know what he's saying, right?
What he's saying?
It's hot.
Oh,
In hot tub.
hey.
So hot.
Fishing with MaYo fam. This video is brought to you by Mystery Tackle Box. All right, we got some hair spinners from Lake and Stream Tackle. We got some crappie baits, that's right. Fry series, look pretty good. Tony Shepherd, let's go. Got some whirly bird jig heads, some Carl's Amazing Baits. We have a lake lunker, which is a custom bait. 3D eyes, it rattles too. Big bite baits, Pro Series, you see it. Ball head jig assortment, it's a whole lot of different ones in here. Interesting. Then we have the Lucky John Pro Series with the explosive injection and taste. S&T formula. Last but not least, we got the bloodworm from Impulse. You know what I'm saying? Good little fishing tackle. Now that y'all got acquainted with what we using, we're out here at a secret pond. Let's go! Little good boot gear going on right now. Good boot gear. You know, it's hot, so I ain't even worried about rolling them things up. It is hot. Feel like nothing but Tucson leather, man. Tucson leather, baby. I am sweating way too much right now. Uh-oh. Got you one. We got him one, y'all. You got you a bass? Bassimus. That H2K boy on the board.
Sir, I caught that with the all. I got a green fluke on there.
Yeah.
But I got a white chatterbait.
Right.
Grabbed it as soon as it jumped down, let it sink a little bit.
Right.
He bit it, I set the hook.
Right.
So now I'm waiting to.
Oh.
Well, I got both poles.
Oh. Throw them back on in there. It's gone. What you got? Uh-oh. What you got now? That look like a nice one. What is it? A big old bluegill too. He on fire, y'all. Look at that man. He is on. Look at him. Look at him.
That's 3 fish right there, right?
In a row.
In a row, though.
He done caught a big bluegill, y'all. He peeing. He's peeing.
Yes, he's peeing in my hand. Thank you.
All right, look at that, man.
Yo, this is a big one, man.
Yeah, man.
Take a picture, click. Take a picture, click.
Do look real good out there, though. Look real good. Kind of long, though. But it looks good. Let's see. Come on, show me something. It's right there in front of that tree. Finally, something. Finally, y'all. Big crappie. Oh yeah, got a big crappie out here, boy. Woo. Yes. Woo. Whew. He hit the orange baby. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. Beautiful, man. Right in the lip. That's what I'm talking about. Look good. Everything look good about him, man. I mean, everything looks good about him. Yes. Got a big one? Oh, whoa. He got a big one. I mean big. It's a bowfin. Whoa. That's a bass, man. That ain't no bowfin, man. Woo, look at that. Oh, whoa. Look, he nervous. He nervous, y'all.
I'm happy to know.
Whoa.
You know what he's saying, right?
What he's saying?
It's hot.
Oh.
In hot tub.
Hey.
So hot.
Whoa.
Shoot.
Look at that, man.
That is a beast. That's what I'm talking about, y'all.
Oh my God. Look at what a brute.
Yes, sir.
Look at that brute.
It's beautiful.
Oh my God, look at that.
Yeah.
He thought it was a bowfin.
Yeah, when he
As
got out of the water.
big as it was, but man, that splash I heard, man, ain't no way. Ain't no way.
I got it. Hey, I got it. Put it over here. Go right ahead. Hey, look at that view. Woo! Yes, sir.
As soon as we release that, look, he got another one. Gills. Look at that, man. That is crazy.
He been sitting there waiting for me, dog.
Waiting for him the whole time.
Look.
He peeing galore, man. Pee pee. Pee pee. This a what? Oh. Dang, man, what you killing him with, that red ribbon still? God dang it. Dang it, Bobby.
Dang it, Bobby. Look at that one.
Dang it, Bobby.
Yeah. That one's saying it's hot in a hot tub.
God,
This boy so hot in a hot tub. Oh,
Good.
thank you. Yes, sir.
Wow.
Woo. That's the second one, man. That's
Second, nice one.
Yeah.
Chunk,
That
second
black and
chunk.
red shimmy stick, Texas rig style.
Chunk.
Yes, sir. Gotta get a release on that one too.
Oh yeah, let's go. Yeah, and we got some hot underwater footage because it's hot in the hot tub. All right, y'all, we caught some big bass.
Yes.
Caught me a nice little crappie. And guess what? Y'all stay tuned for some more adventures, dog.
Put it over here. Go right ahead. All right, look at that view.